Hey y'all, Charles, AllCoastLawncare and pressure washing. So we're gonna go ahead and house wash this house right here with our pressure washer. 4-gallon per minute pressure washer, keeping our distance, laying down the chemicals softly on the house, all right? Low pressure, okay? Using the M5 twist the whole time. And I got my David Shooter tip just in case it gets windy. The David Shooter tip helps get a tighter stream up to the house. We already cleaned out their gutters, and I'm gonna go ahead and like stop the camera. We're gonna wet all the windows, wet all the plants. First, I gotta tape up some stuff, wet the windows, wet the plants. I'll come back, put the downstream injector in the 5-gallon bucket of SH, 12.5% SH. When it comes out the gun, it'll be about a 1.2%. All right, not too hot and not too weak. All right, for a house wash. Okay. Other than that, y'all, I'll see you in a bit. All right, here we go. We're gonna go in downstream with the M5 twist on this side of the house. I want you to notice how dirty it is right now. Okay. We're gonna go all the way around the house. And when we come back to rinse, it should already be all melted off the house, okay? We're just rinsing off the SH off the windows and the rest of the siding, but it should already be clean by the time we come back. Hey, y'all, here we go. Downstreaming with a 4-gallon per minute pressure washer, 150 feet of pressure washer hose, 100 feet of water hose connected from the pressure washer to the house water, with the regular pressure washing gun. For the tips, I have an M5 twist and a David Shooter tip. The M5 twist, you're gonna see me using throughout the whole house. All right. I like the M5 twist. It's similar to the Xjet tip. All right. It's the same black nozzle. The M5 twist, I like it because you could control it from the nozzle, like the fan, like make it a fan, or make it a straight stream, so you could hit up that second-story house. All right. A third story, you're not gonna get the top of a third story. All right, the best of our luck I had was a 2-story house. A little bit higher because there was one house where I had like a big crawl space. So like, oh man, is this gonna hit it? And it actually did hit it. You know, I'm hit the top, and that was with a lot of wind. All right, so you just have to like sometimes I had to whip up the SH to the top of the peak. But here I am, y'all. So I start from one side, downstreaming the SH. And then when I'm done, I go around and then I rinse, okay? So, but before I do anything, y'all, like I said from the beginning, I wet all the plants, the bushes, the windows with water. I pre-wet all this, y'all. Water, bushes, electrical lights on the outside. I just wet them with water, okay? So that way, and I have to tape up anything that's exposed. Any electrical appliances that are exposed. Like there was a plug that was exposed, so I just tape it up with painter's tape, all right? Or any electrical outlets. All right, y'all, we're done downstreaming. We're gonna go and put the downstream injector in the bucket of water. All right, now we're gonna downstream. We're gonna rinse off the pressure hose, downstream injector. We're gonna rinse on the downstream injector, the pressure hose, and the gun with 5 gallons of fresh water, okay? While we're rinsing the house. So technically we're downstreaming fresh water, 5 gallons, okay, to clean out the hose, the ball valve, and the gun, downstream injector. I know I'm repeating myself though, but hey, excuse me, okay? All right, here we go. So look, y'all, we came back to rinse, but look, it's already all melted off the house now. All right, so all we're doing is rinsing off the SH, and we're wetting the windows and the plants real good. All the electrical stuff, all right? All right, always wet the plants, windows, electrical appliances real good, all right? Before and after. Before you downstream and after you downstream. All right, y'all, so I can't stress enough, okay? So you pre-wet bushes, flowers, windows. Always pre-wet the electrical appliances, like those outside lights. I wet them real good. Okay, if you see anything that's exposed, like outlets or anything like that, tape them up with painter's tape or a bag. Okay, when I'm done downstreaming, and I downstream the whole house. When I'm done, I put the downstream injector into a fresh 5-gallon bucket of water. Because what I'm doing is I'm rinsing out the hose, the downstream injector, and the gun and the tip, all right, with fresh water, okay? Because SH it'll ruin their equipment. Okay, so it's bleach, y'all. It's bleach. So fresh gallon bucket of water, downstream water rinsing. Okay, and I'm also, what I'm doing again is I'm wetting the windows real good. Okay, wet those windows real good, because if you don't, you're gonna see how the windows are gonna look kind of foggy, because all that SH that's just from when they're downstreaming, all that SH gets on the window. So you want to wet the windows real good. Wet the windows real good. Wet the bushes real good again. Okay, wet the bushes and flowers real good. Before and after. Okay, if you could do it during, by all means do it during. Okay, but wet, wet, wet. All right. Rinse off all that SH from the sides, and bam, you have a clean house. Okay. So other than that, y'all, I hope you're enjoying this video. Okay, with all those appliances real good. Look at all that dirt and grime coming off from the sides. All right, y'all, we're done. Get you a after video real quick. All right, y'all. Hey, so the customer, they came home right when we were done. They were real happy. They know it's a big difference from driving up to the house. Like, wow, Charles, we didn't even recognize our house. Hey, man, when customers comment you on their performance, man, it makes you real happy. It motivates you. Okay, but remember this side, y'all. Remember how green it was? Look at it now. All right. So bushes, you know what I mean? The windows are good. I had with the windows real good. The lights still work, all right? With the lights real good, the outside lights. All right, the customer was very happy, y'all. You know, I was very happy that the customer was happy. Okay, so 12.5% SH, downstreaming. When it comes out the gun, it's about a 1.2%, all right? So you don't have to mix your SH with water before you downstream, okay? If you do that, you're just gonna make the SH weaker. All right, downstream is already weakening the SH to a good strength to clean a house. All right, you're downstreaming, y'all. What do y'all think? Hey, leave a comment. All right, leave a comment. Hit that like and subscribe button. All right, hey, those are the after video. Tell me what you think, y'all. Okay, 4 gallon per minute pressure washer with 150 feet of pressure washer hose, 100 feet of water hose. Regular handgun, okay, with the M5 twist and David shooter tip, okay. I use total of 5 gallons of SH downstreaming, but that's the house right there, y'all. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Please give me a call, 910-939-9020 if you have any questions. I'm not a pro, y'all. I'm just a beginner just like you, so feel free to call me and I'll share with you my experience on doing this pressure washing side hustle / business. Hey, thanks for watching. Bye.